The integrated and the independent judicial system. The Indian Constitution establishes the judicial system. The judicial system that is integrated and as well as the independent. The Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of the India stands. The Court of the India stands at the top of the integrated judicial system in the court. Below it, there are High Court and the district courts. We study after after the Supreme Court. We will study about the High Court. After the Supreme Court, we have discussed the High Court. High Court is the state level court where this is divided into two parts. One is district and the other district court, and the other one is lower courts that are formed. The district court whereas district has courts that is called the district court, and the other lower courts that are below the districts. In case suppose you have some problem, then first you appeal the lower court, then you have district court. After that you can appeal for the High Court. If you are not satisfied with the High Court, then you can appeal for the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decision is final decision. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.